Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two drones with cameras. On one side, we have the Bwine F7 Mini drone, and on the other side, we have the drone with camera by Loyoli. Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fit for you. One of the most crucial aspects of a drone with a camera is the quality of the footage it captures. Let's compare the camera capabilities of these two drones. Now, let's compare the flight performance of these two drones. Let's explore the additional features that make these drones stand out. The Bwine F7 Mini drone and the drone with camera both have positive reviews from customers. The Bwine F7 Mini drone is praised for its high-resolution camera and durability, while the drone with camera is commended for its versatility and user-friendliness. And that wraps up our comparison between the Bwine F7 Mini drone and the drone with camera by Loyoli. We've explored their camera capabilities, flight performance, and additional features. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping. See you next time on Buy Smart.